Good morning. Today case study of F1 car, how it's related to theory of machines.
So F1 cars are majorly depends on their theory of machines. Like coming to the suspension system and the steering system, gyroscopic system, design system, and aerodynamic systems. So here plays the main role. Like while mainly designing role, every car has a unique design. So it depends on the design where in which the aerodynamic speed and all relates, and the heat liberations comes under it. So when the design is unique and which is comfortable with the F1 cars, it helps the speed ratio to fly the car in the tools its efficiency speed, and suspension which creates proper speed and maintain the. It's not about the speed; it also maintains the ground area for the car to move fastly.
Seeing upon how he told that similar upon the aerodynamics, engine is the main source where it depends on aerodynamics. Seeing upon the evolution, during 2000 to 2005, F1 used V10 engines, which produces a lot of enormous power of torque and kilometers of RPM. And nowadays it uses only V6, where it changes into hybrid. Even though it has a power of V10 in V6 engine, it is way more complicated in the engine, but it has very power in the particular engine. How aerodynamic also plays in this engine by air vents in the engine, which has more than 3 air vents at a time. And seeing upon the fuel efficiency, it also has some high fuel efficiency compared to V10. It is quite better, easy. And that's it. Seeing upon this evolution, it is good.
Why important in aerodynamics?
So it's so important that why aerodynamics is important to engine is that F1 air intake is above the driver's itself. It does 3 intake but connects in one single nozzle. It takes from front and it goes back. So it's so important.
Speed evolution.
If design is a failure or if design is not suitable for C1 car, what happens?
Fast, basically F1 car is completely made for fast. It is how they are inspired from it, a cheetah's face, cheetah's dolphin's face. So there is a peak thing in the notch. So from there the air, once we are traveling opposite to the air means it will be completely coming upon it. Once the air comes to this means it will be equally distributed to up and down side. By that the F1 car otherwise which they have designed for fast ones,
Even if it's fighter jet and planes are like shaped in not shape.
The peak nozzle likewise they have been said. So by that the aerodynamics why it is important means for the fast for traveling fast. That is the basic idea.
So as Palak said, if the car flies, nothing higher inside, the air will distributed like up and down. So while turning the ground, it automatically lifts the car. So to avoid this, we need to design so complicated where that design must accomplish the engine. So that helps while the turning or in the or else overtake some other cars during this. So next to that aerodynamics, as Palak said, aerodynamics. So next analysis, we must do analysis for car. So where how much fast that it goes, and mainly the manufacturing of the parts. So as in area of machine, the manufacturing of the parts must be very accurate and must be precision to that car, because if any negative happens, the car also will lost. Also the human or the racer inside the car will also made it. So that's the point.
So heat and transform, heat and mass transfer plays a vital role, sir. So as a material they have chosen for the F1 car is also one of the thing. In the F1 in the league they will be mentioning that these are the specification you have to make. From this you can make your own idea. Starting from design to the how car will be the output. It is completely upon that. but the specification will be given by the league or the team which they are being producing it. So from that, how we are thinking apart and we have to design it. For that, theory of machines plays a vital role. Starting from theory of machines, design, heat and mass transfer I have mentioned. Each and everything in point also it may occurs a difference in the winning and losing of particular cars. This is how theory of machine majorly plays a vital role in F1. Apart from F1, also it differs in etc. in